In this lecture, we will learn about using order by clause in SQL statements. As the name suggests, order by clause is used to order or sort the data rows in a result set. The order by clause can be used to sort the data row by one or more columns. By default, the order by clause sorts the records in ascending order. ASC keyword is used to sort the orders in ascending order, while DESC keyword is used to sort the data rows in descending order. Here are some examples of order by clause in SQL statement. Let's learn about order by clause with some practical examples. I have logged in my MySQL database server using my root username and password. I'll select the school database and run a simple SQL statement to display all the records from students table. Let's sort the data rows by student's first name. The SQL statement will be, I'll press up arrow key to get the previously executed SQL statement and modify it by using order by, select star from students, order by first name, semicolon to terminate the SQL statement. Press enter to execute the SQL statement, and we can see the first names are ordered by alphabetically. We can use multiple columns to sort the result set, like select star from students, order by first name, comma, last name. Press enter to execute the SQL statement. And in this case, the system will first sort the data row using first name column, and then for similar first name, the row will be arranged by sorting the data rows alphabetically for last name columns. Notice here, the three students have the same name, that is John. In this case, the data row are arranged alphabetically using last name column. We can also sort the data row using numbers, like select star from students, order by age in descending order. Press enter to execute the SQL statement. And sure enough, we get the data rows as expected. I'll select company database and run SQL statement to display all the records in employees table. Select star from employees and sort the data rows using salary column. The SQL statement will be, select star from employees, order by salary, ascending order. And this time we get the employees data row in ascending order by using salary column.